Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you top 5 tips for Wix. So let's get started. So the first tip revolves around having consistent design to your website. So in here, as you can see, I use the blue color palette, wherein I use dark blue right here and navy blue right here. And then I use also yellow as well as actual white right here. So when I scroll down, I also use that specific color palette on all of my designs right here. So what this do is it actually promotes professionalism on your website. So it does not look tacky or wacky or funny because it looks professional. And if you're using Wix for stores, for affiliate marketing, for those things, or for a portfolio, you can actually need to put your website to be professional. So if you have that, your website will look more professional than ever. So the second tip is to use animations. So in order to use animation, just click on the specific part of the website that you want to add an animation into. So for this one, I will just use it on this specific text. Now that I have clicked on text, I can see this right here. This button is the animation button. So once I click on that, I can choose the animation for that. It can glide in, it can expand, it can fly in, it can turn in, or anything like that. So in here, you can use fly in, but also be consistent with the actual animation. So you can also customize it if you want. So once you've done that, you should be able to see that your animation will actually bring more vibe and more interaction for your website. So this is what my website will look like. Let me just refresh that in order to let you see the animation. So as you can see right here, there's animation for this one. And when I scroll down, this image is also animated. So I actually recommend you to do that as well. So the third tip is to make sure that you have all the general information of your Wix website. So make sure that you have the name, make sure that you have this contact right here because you will need to be contacted by buyers or clients that you can use for this one. So I recommend you to fill out every necessary information, and that way your Wix website will actually be unique than other websites. So the fourth tip revolves around the SEO. So what is SEO? SEO is search engine optimization. You can actually just see that right here on your left sidebar. So when you head over to this specific thing, you can see this marketing and SEO. And in here, you can see the email marketing, Google Ads, Facebook ad, and in here you can see the SEO. So once you click on that, you can get found in search results with SEO tools and data. So you can follow a personalized SEO setup checklist. You can actually integrate this specific tool in order to help you more on your Wix journey. So when you click on this Go to SEO, it will actually open your managed dashboard wherein you can see the SEO thing on your dashboard and you can actually run it from there. So for this one, let's just wait for this specific thing to load. In here, you can see your search engine optimization assistant wherein you can set up a checklist. You can see the issues. They will have recommendations. You can see here also the completed data you have. And you can also see your site performance in Google once you have connected your Google account. And make sure that you integrate and do all of these things right here. And that way you will be able to make sure that your website is actually searchable on your Google search. So the last method is to make sure that your site also looks great on mobile. So over 50% of Wix users are actually spending their time on mobile. They will be visiting your site on mobile, so make sure that you also focus on that area and not on desktop site only. So let's see what it looks like on our mobile preview. So in here, once you search for this or just click on this icon, you will be able to see what it looks like on your mobile. So this what it looks like on my mobile. It's actually really decent. And once I scroll down, this is actually what it looks like. And this is actually just actually very, very good. So make sure that your mobile site is also as excellent as your desktop site. In that way, people will be enticed to browse your actual website, even on desktop or even on mobile. So that's the whole process. I hope this video let you know the top 5 Wix tips. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.